Yeah. Huh?
Front door.
I guess nobody's here. Probably got ding dong ditched. I think he went in here. It's locked. Find a key. Found the key. Cuckoo. I'm scared. Where could he be? Is he in here? No. Is he in here? No. He's in here. No, just video games. Maybe. The closet. Typical. The closet. Hello. Found you! I'm sorry, but I got this. Oh no. Don't hurry. You guys back here! Last words. Actually, no, not really. But I do have some other stuff to say. Like, I'm sorry for breaking into your house. But, like, can I just go? Because I have, like, dinner to catch up on. No. But I'm hungry. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Basketball King. Wait. Yeah, I'm Basketball King, and this is Diamond Man 160. And this was a skit. This wasn't real. You see, it was a Nerf gun. 1 second. See, this is foam. Like, it's squishy. Like, it's not a real gun. And this is one of the Nerf. Like, it's a Nerf gun. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Basketball King here, Diamond Man here. And see you guys in the next video. Peace!